I'd like to build the world a home with windows facing east, a place where every heart can roam, where all the fighting ceased. I'd paint the walls with colors bright of sun and sky and sea, where every soul can find their light and live in unity. In perfect harmony we'll sing a melody of peace, a song of a love that we can bring, that never has to cease. Hold it in our arms today and keep it close to home. Let the music light the way. No one walks alone. I'd like to plant a garden path where only kindness grows, and wash away the bitter wrath, and gentle river flows. We'll share the water from the well, the simple joy we find, and break the sorrow of the spell, connecting humankind. In perfect harmony we'll sing a melody of peace, a song of love that we can bring, that never has to cease. Hold it in our arms today and keep it close to home. Let the music light the way. No one walks alone. Oh, see the world standing hand in hand. The message is clear across the land. It's the real thing, the light that we all share. In perfect harmony we'll sing a melody of peace, a song of love that we can bring, that never has to cease. In perfect harmony